In 2025, I finally stopped hiding from my story and started building from it instead. I rebuilt my health over more than 500 consecutive days. I lost 60 pounds, regained my energy, and found a level of clarity that had been missing for a long time. Most importantly, I started building something bigger than myself, something I genuinely wish had existed when I needed it most. What you're seeing on screen looks like luxury, and it is. Puerto Vallarta in March, Dubai in August. World-class locations and incredible experiences. But what mattered most wasn't the destination itself. It was the time spent together and the conversations that happened there. Dentists who showed up willing to be honest about what they were building, what was working and what wasn't. People who were tired of pretending that everything was fine and ready to think clearly about their practices, their teams, their health, their families, and their future. These experiences weren't about escaping real life. They were about creating the space to do meaningful work in beautiful places, because dentists deserve both progress and enjoyment. That's where Foundation Dental Alliance stopped being an idea and became something real. I'm deeply grateful for the people who chose to build this alongside me, for the advisors, educators, partners, and collaborators who believed this work mattered and gave their time, expertise, and trust, and especially for the dentists who showed up with openness, thoughtfulness, and a willingness to engage honestly in the process. None of this happens without people who are willing to commit to something long-term and meaningful. I'm genuinely thankful for that. And through our luxury dental retreats, we created experiences that allow dentists to step back from the daily chaos and reconnect with why they chose this profession in the first place and where they want it to take them next. This wasn't all about talk. This was about building something solid and lasting. As we look toward 2026, the focus is straightforward. We're going deeper, strengthening relationships, and expanding support for dentists at every stage of their careers, from graduation through retirement. Not bigger for the sake of being bigger, but better, more intentional, more grounded, more aligned with the lives dentists actually want to live. Because what happened to me should never happen to another dentist, and because dentistry should give you freedom, not take it away. I'm grateful for everyone who was a part of this journey in 2025, and I'm excited for what we're building together in 2026. This is just the beginning of the Foundation Dental Alliance.